Thrill Jamaica
I'm gonna be
messing with
trying to
white
take
people.
a
Oh, all right. Have you ever been to Jamaica?
I have not, but I'm gonna come visit you.
Visit me.
Yeah.
I'm not in Jamaica.
Oh, you're just from there?
Yeah, but I'll be back.
Where
So,
are you?
I live in California.
Oh, okay, I'm coming.
Oh, that's good. That's good. When?
I'm from SoCal.
From who?
Southern California, SoCal.
Oh, my bad. I didn't hear you. All right, now I got a question. You like food?
I love food.
You like spicy stuff a little bit?
Yeah.
I got the perfect thing for you. Since you love food and you want to visit, well, my friend, he makes the best food and he could give you the best bacas in the world.
The best what?
Bacas.
What the
It's a Jamaican thing. It's good. It's really good.
Okay.
It fills up your belly. It fills it up. It's amazing.
I love getting my belly filled.
Rock. He will give you bare bacas till you can't give. You love food. Your bacas gonna fill up your belly till it not more. It's gonna fill it up.
Okay, let's fill it up.
Let me call him. Yo.
Okay.
You think I'm playing? Give me 1 second. Let me call him.
Call.
Me, I go call him Bumbo Clat since you want to talk.
Whoa. What did you say?
Me say you all big. You're too blood clot. Shut up, man. Bumbo one. Nobody ask you nothing. I'm going to call him.
Baccarat? What's it called?
Bacas for your Bumbo Clat. Bacas.
Bacchus.
Bacas.
Bacchus.
Bumbo Clat pick up. Wait. Me I call my friend him. I give a beer Bacas. Yo, me G. Yo, my bro. One girl want you put her up on a Bacas. See her there now.
What?
She want you put her up on a Bacchus. Pussy would go with them, but they're on live. I promise you. Go on, man.
Bacchus on a red shirt.
Where you say Bacchus on a red shirt? You make the best Bacchus here. My bro will, I'm telling you, fill your belly up.
Okay, I'm waiting.
You hear that, my G? She want to put, brother, you can deal with the thing for me now.
Cool, no? Bacchus on a red shirt.
Bacchus on a